Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Todd Silver, and I'm with the team here at Northway Ford Lincoln in beautiful Brantford, Ontario. Today, I'm sitting in a 2018 F-150 Super Cab. This particular one actually has the hard key, and today I'm going to show you how to get your door code in the event you lost it or never received it off of the lot there. Check this one out. All right, folks, so what you want to do is you want to start off with both of your hard keys here. I like to put them off to the side, just have them a little bit organized so you can do this quickly. Basically, once you start this process, you really only have a couple of seconds in between putting one key in to putting another key in order to make this work. You're also going to notice here that this is the entry-level stereo system, so it's a smaller screen. This particular hack actually works really, really well with this. So in order to start this, we take our very first key, we're going to put it into the ignition, we're just going to turn on the auxiliary power. We're not going to be turning over the engine. What I like to do is I like to wait until those four little chimes kind of go, and that'll be sort of my timing for taking this one out. So that's done. Take it out. We put in our second key into the ignition. Again, turning on auxiliary power, and then you basically sit there and look at the little center stack, and right there is your factory door code. Now, you can use this door code automatically with the door. You can also add door codes on top of that as well. Now, ultimately, you can use this. It's a really nice quick hack. If you head to a dealership, if you don't have the door code that you bought from a dealership and the salesperson didn't put it together for you, or you bought privately and just didn't get that little card or the little door code card, you can use this really quick. The nice thing with this is if you head off to a dealership, there's a good chance that they're probably going to charge you for the door code. It could be anywhere from $50 all the way up to $100. So this is a quick way to save something here. It takes about 15 seconds, and I mean, it's really really helpful. My name is Todd Silver. I'm with the team here at Northway Ford. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, more door code features, I've actually got something coming up right now with 3 things that you didn't know about your Mustang. That'll be coming up in the coming weeks here. If you want to see more stuff like this, like the video. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel there. I mean, obviously, we're always looking for subscribers. Give us a lot of love. Give some comments. If you have any questions, by all means, leave them below as well. If you are looking for a vehicle, just ask for Todd Silver. You can actually email me right down at the bottom of the video there. You should be able to see it right there. tsilver@northwayford.com, or you can give me a call or text 519-803-5052. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.